First of all, we have to go to your phone settings. So tap on phone settings. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. Then tap on see your apps and wait for it to load. After loading, you're going to see your app listed in alphabetical form. Then you tap on the search bar to search for Signal. Then you tap on the Signal. Now tap on notifications. Check it on and make sure every notification is on. After that, tap on permissions. Make sure everything is allowed over here. Then tap on storage and cache. Then you clear the cache. You go back. Then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure the background data is really toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to tap on for stop. Then you tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do last is to go to your Play Store to check for the updates. So let's search for our Play Store. When you find it, just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you are going to see apps over here. Then you search for Signal. Then when you search for Signal, you are going to see this. Then you tap on Signal over here. So let's tap on it. So when you tap on it, this is how it's going to be. So this is Signal. So what you have to do is to tap over here to check for the updates. So you have to tap over here where the written open. Just tap on it. When you can see updates over there, just tap on it. But when you cannot see update and you are still seeing open, don't tap on it. So after tapping on the update, it's going to reinstall on your device successfully. Then you go back. Don't try to open it. Just tap on restart. Then you tap on OK to restart, and everything is going to work perfectly for you. See my next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.